In Google Drive, if I open spreadsheet or I click blank spreadsheet, the cells are not moving. If I click manually, it will move. If I click manually, it will move, but in the keyboard is not moving. In the keyboard, if I press the arrow key, it is not moving. See, this is the problem. For this, I will show you how to solve this. In the Google Chrome, click this here. New incognito window is there. You open this incognito window. I already opened here. This incognito window. This is my incognito window. Here we check it. Open the sheets here. Here I am opening spreadsheet. Here it is moving. See, this is the thing. Without doing any settings, the problem has been solved in the incognito window. Otherwise, I will show you one more thing. I will show you. Close all the windows. Close all the window. Close all the window and again open Google Chrome here. Go to the three dot option is there here. Click this and then go to the settings. Here you need to clear all the options is there. Here you need to click the reset settings here. Reset settings to the original defaults option is there. Click this. It will restore all the Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, visible extensions. Everything will be in the default settings. It will happen. All the settings has been restored. After this, you can check it once again. It will work. Otherwise, you can use it in the incognito window. That's it. Okay. Thank you.